Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make a feasibility study for business. First, understand that a feasibility study is a critical assessment of a proposed project or business idea. It helps you determine if your concept is practical and viable before investing significant resources. This process identifies potential challenges and opportunities, providing a clear picture of success probability. It's a foundational step for any new venture, ensuring you make informed decisions from the outset. Next, let's look at the core components. Market analysis examines your target audience, demand, and competition. Technical analysis assesses the necessary resources, technology, and infrastructure. Financial analysis projects startup costs, operating expenses, and potential revenue, often over 3 to 5 years. Finally, organizational analysis defines the management structure, legal framework, and staffing requirements. Each component provides a crucial piece of the overall puzzle. To conduct the study, begin by clearly defining your project's scope and objectives. What exactly are you trying to achieve? Then, gather all relevant data through comprehensive market research, surveys, and expert consultations. Analyze this information thoroughly, looking for trends, gaps, and critical insights. Finally, evaluate all your findings against your initial objectives to see if the project aligns with your goals and resources. This systematic approach ensures a robust assessment. Finally, interpreting your results is key. Summarize all findings to highlight the most important insights. Conduct a SWOT analysis to identify strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Based on this comprehensive understanding, you can make an informed go or no-go decision for your business idea. If you proceed, the feasibility study becomes a valuable foundation for developing your detailed business plan, guiding your strategic choices moving forward.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.